Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Discord security keys in your Discord application or in your Discord account. So first, head into your Discord application. And then click the profile icon that you can see in the bottom right corner of the screen. After clicking this, click the settings icon that you can see in the top right corner. And then click the Accounts tab. Inside the Accounts tab, you will see the security keys below the How you sign into your account section. Click this, and then as you can see here, I have not set up any security key in this account. Now click the Add button here, and then you can choose here to create a passkey with your password manager, a passkey with your Android device, or a passkey using your external key. Now select Create a passkey with your Android device, and click Let's Go. First, you have to verify first with your password. And then click the Submit button. And it will redirect you into registering or creating a passkey. Click the Continue button and then enter your password again here. And then you will name this security key. Then click Finish. And that's it. As you can see, two-factor authentication is now activated in our account, and these codes will allow us to enter our account if we lose our authentication app. And that is how you can set up your security key in your Discord account, and thank you for listening.